Hi, how are you guys today? Today I'm going to talk with you about why I ride motorcycles even though it can be dangerous. Let's get rolling. So why do I ride motorcycles even though it's dangerous? I've got 9 good reasons. Number 1, it gives you a feeling of freedom. You have no strings attached at all. You're one with the road, you're free. You have no commitments. It's just you, your bike, and the road. Number 2, when you're riding a motorcycle, you have to really focus on the road and what's going on around you, behind you, in front of you, beside you. You have to watch the road, you have to watch your speed. So what it does is it takes your mind off of all the other worries that are going on in your life that you may have. If you have bills, if you have financial issues, if you have a problem with your girlfriend, if you have any sort of other issues, health issues, other things like that, it takes your mind off of all of that because you really have to focus on everything. And it's a good way to get away from all of that. Number 3. It's very exhilarating to ride a motorcycle. It's just fun. You hear all the sounds. You smell all the smells. You feel everything from your fingertips to your toes and everywhere in between. It is exhilarating. Number 4, you do get a connection with the open road. This road from right here, I can go anywhere in the whole continent. I can even go to the South American continent on this road right here. I can go just anywhere. There may be some private areas I can't go to, but all the public areas I can go to all of them. And you really feel a connection with the road. You feel every little bump, every little wave in the road, every little turn, every little crease. You feel every little speed bump, every smooth part of the road you feel too. The thrill of it. You have acceleration. Woo! Speed. Turning. It's just exhilarating. It's just exciting, and it gives you a bit of an adrenaline pump every time you do something. Like making this turn, you have to lean into the turn. You just don't turn the steering wheel. Lean into the turn. Look behind you. Because motorcycles are really fast. They accelerate really fast. They turn really fast, and it's just exhilarating and it's fun, and it's just a big thrill to ride a motorcycle. If that doesn't light your fire, I don't know what will. Number 6, riding a motorcycle gives you a good sense of control. I mean, everything you do, you have to do it. You have to control the turning, the signaling, the speed, the braking, everything. You have to do it all, and there's not a lot of room for error when you're riding with a bunch of cars, or if you're going fast, or if you're making a tight turn. Watching this car right here, they had their turn signal on, and I just didn't want them to pull out in front of me. So you have a total control over this motorcycle. I could have just blown by that car and put myself in a lot of danger. So I want to be really safe, and with that total control comes a lot of responsibility. Number 7, it gives you a sense of adventure. I can go on whatever. Let's say I just want to take a ride up here. I want to go explore this road and see what's going on, and I can go anywhere I want and explore roads I haven't been down before and see sights I haven't seen. Sometimes I like to go on adventure rides where I take off and I go down a road that I haven't been down before, and then I'll take a left or a right down another road I haven't been down before, and I call that adventure riding. I usually don't go in the dirt. I stay on the pavement, but there's a lot of adventure, even if you don't go on the dirt, just on the regular streets. You have the road, the scenery, you have other people, other cars, other things going on around you, and it can be really fun riding for adventure. Number 8, your motorcycle, after you've been riding it for a while, it's like an extension of you. It's like another arm, another set of fingers, another set of legs. And the nice thing about the motorcycle is you don't get tired riding it like you would if you were running or working out. You'll get a little bit tired, you'll need a break, but you sure can go a lot further on a motorcycle than you can on your legs. You can feel everything that the motorcycle is doing. It's like an extension of your body, which makes it more fun, extra fun. And number 9, riding a motorcycle is a great stress reliever. If you've had a rough week at work or a rough day at work, or if you've had some stressful things going on in your life, get out, ride that motorcycle, take your mind off of all of that, have some fun, have some adrenaline, see the sights, enjoy the adventure. It will help reduce your stress levels. I just enjoy riding a motorcycle. Sometimes if I've had a rough week at work, I just want to get out and go for a ride on a motorcycle. So all of these 9 things, to me, far outweigh the risk of riding a motorcycle. There's some other things that you can do to reduce that risk. You can practice, get your muscle memory down really good to where you really can do things without thinking about them, and fine-tune your abilities, get a lot of experience. And also you can learn about safety. You can learn about the different safety aspects of riding a motorcycle, what part of riding the motorcycle is dangerous, and what you could do that's dangerous, and find out all those dangerous things and don't do them. Do the things that are not dangerous. And a lot of those things that aren't dangerous are a lot of fun. This way it'll reduce the risk of riding too. Well, I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe, and remember, it's not about the destination. It is about what? It's about the ride, baby! Woo!